Yo, what's going on, gang? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, guys, many of you guys asking me like, what is the trick behind to kill gold? So take a look at this video. So as you can see here, guys, we're trading XAUUSD, which is gold. So as you can see, guys, right now we in a profit of 150%. As you can see, our stop loss was too small, and you can see we already double the stop loss. You know, I said this is 1 to 4 all the way to here. This is the TP1, which TP1 already hit. We about to hit now the TP2. All right, so I want to show you the trick, guys, how I kill gold. Very easy, you feel me? As we speak, guys, we're making a lot of money from this trade as we speak. So as you can see, guys, this is very easy, you feel me? It's very easy. As you can see, this is what I do, right? If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe, because yo, you don't want to miss this. You know, guys, I always share with you guys everything that I do, right? As you can see here, this is the zone. Okay, this is the zone. So as you can see that the market did come to the zone, give us the pullback, came back to the zone, pullback, blackout. Okay, after you got this blackout, all you need is to wait for the pullback. After the pullback here, this is your entry point around this area. Okay, let me do this. This is your entry point right here. Okay, let me zoom in. This is your entry point right here. Let me do this. Your entry point is right here. Okay, and then your exit as a TP1, it's actually gonna be at the previous high, which is this one. Look at the move, guys. Look at the move, guys. Hey, if you are missing, guys, if you are not in a VIP group, you must know that you're missing a lot of opportunity in the market, because as we speak, guys, VIP group, we're killing the market already, like so badly. And this is going to be my last trade for the day. Okay, so your first take profit, guys, is going to be this one right here. Right here, it's gonna be your first take profit right there. You need to take profit anyways. I don't know how many entries you're gonna enter with, but some of entries you need to take profit right there. Okay, so this is how you're gonna enter the trade. Okay, this is how you're gonna enter the trade. Let me show you. Sorry, let me show you how you're gonna enter the trade. This is how you're gonna enter the trade. You're gonna wait for the confirmation candlestick like this one. As you can see, that one. Okay, you're gonna enter that way. Stop loss right there. Your first take profit is gonna be this one. Okay, so as you can see that the take profit hit. Okay, the take profit hit already. All right, the take profit already hit. So now we got another pullback, another breakout. Okay, after you got another breakout like this, because remember, guys, you already put the zone. So as soon as the market is gonna break out right there, guys, this is a free game. You have been bought this course for a lot of money. All I'm asking from you is just subscribe to the channel and like the video, just to value my tips. So you're gonna wait for another pullback, as I did here. As you can see that I got pullback here, and this is the reason why I entered my trade. Okay, so after I entered here, you can see my TP1 is right there, and the TP1 already hit. Okay, so now that's the trick you're gonna use to kill gold. If you can do this over and over, of course, you know, guys, many people, they don't know how to be patient. You feel me? Many people, they don't know how to be patient. If you don't know how to be patient, you're not gonna do this. All right, you need to understand that when you're still trying out the strategy, somehow you're gonna lose, somehow you're gonna make. You know, some opportunities you're gonna lose, some opportunities you're gonna make, but you need to stick on the same strategy. Do it over and over and over and over. Do the same thing, guys, over and over and over, at least for a month. You feel me? That's how you're going to understand that the strategy, it does work or not. But I guarantee you that if you can do this, bro, this is 110 profitable strategy. You feel me? Guys, that's why I came up with my best gold trading strategy. I stick on this strategy every day, every minute, every single, I don't care I lose, I don't care I took a loss, but all I do, I keep on doing the same thing over and over, and I'm winning every day, every minute, trust me. So guys, yeah man, let me know if you enjoyed this, bro. Let me know if you enjoyed this, because this is crazy strategy, bro, trust me. You know, and make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. You feel me? So that we can, you know, keep in touch. If you don't say every single update I give, you're gonna be the first person to catch it. Join the free Telegram group now. Link to on the description below. You feel me? Guys, look at this. Look at this. You see this candlestick, bro? Let me count the pips for you. How much was this? How much was this? TP1 was something about it's crazy, bro. Something about 70 pips. TP1, 70 pips in just 15 minutes, because this is a 15-minute candlestick. In just 15 minutes, look at how much I made. Look at the profit, bro. It's crazy. And you know, the crazy thing is that you can enter here. You can enter right there. You can enter right here. Okay? You can enter right here. You wait, and once the market break out this one and the pullback, you might also shift your stop loss from there, from down here. You shift to here, the stop loss, but you're still in the same trade though. It's crazy, dog. It's crazy. Yeah, man. That's how we did. That's the best strategy, gold strategy. Okay? That's the best gold strategy. So guys, peace out. Let me give the update to my VIP group. And yeah, man. Make sure you join us. Let's make this man together, man. Peace out. Peace out.